Hi students, welcome to Evershine Coaching Center. I am Shah Faisal sir here. Dear students, today I am going to give you the latest update regarding the second PUC, Karnataka State Board for this academic year 2020-20, My dear students, today I am going to show you the second PUC model question paper for the subject computer science. Okay, so here I am going to give you the questions. I am going to brief you about the model paper. Okay, so this is the model paper, that is what you need to study, okay, for your upcoming board exam. Here you can see this is a subject code 41 and total marks is awarded 70. And total number of questions will be 37 and time duration will be for 3 hours 15 minutes. Now see children, again I am repeating, this is the model paper for Karnataka State Board students. Okay, good. Now we can see here children, part A having 10 questions. So you need to answer all the questions, that is each question carries 1 mark, that is 1 into 10, that is equals to 10. You can see I am reading out this, I am showing these questions on the screen. You people can watch and copy down these questions and start answering for these questions, and make sure that from which chapter this question has been asked. So please try to make out similar questions from the same chapter so that you can expect 1 mark question from this chapter. Alright, so you should not forget this. Okay, अब आपको क्या करना है, ये चैप्टर, ये कौन सा क्वेश्चन, ये जो क्वेश्चन जो दिया गया है इधर स्क्रीन पे, ये कौन से चैप्टर से लिया गया है, वही चैप्टर के सिमिलर क्वेश्चंस को भी आप स्टडी करना है. सो दिस आर द 1 mark क्वेश्चंस. एंड कमिंग बैक टू पार्ट बी, यू कैन सी हियर, answer any 5 questions of the following questions. Each question carries 2 marks, that is 2 into 5, that is equals to 10 marks. You need to answer any 5. There will be a choice. Okay, next you can see children, so this is from the Department of Pre-University Education, Karnataka Board. Next, coming back to part C, you can see here children, in part C third main, okay, each question carries 3 marks. So here 3 into 5, that is equals to 15. You need to answer any 5 questions. Each question carries 3 marks. And next, coming back to part D, here we can see you need to answer only any 7 questions from the given. Each question carries how many marks children? That is, each question carries, actually they have given here something mistake over here, that 2 marks they have given. No, actually that is 5 marks. Each question carries 5 marks. Right, good. It's a printing mistake. So this is the end of your model paper 1. Now I am going to show you the model paper number 2. And my dear students, before I go to this model paper 2, one important information I like to give you all regarding the class 10 students. If any students who belongs to class 10th or SSLC, from this Thursday we are going to start a crash course. Okay, we are going to start a crash course in which we are going to cover your entire syllabus for a particular period of 90 days. Within 90 days we are going to cover the chapter, cover the syllabus, complete syllabus of Kannada, Mathematics, Science and Social for Karnataka State Board students as well as for CBSE students of class 10th. So if any students are facing SSLC board exam for this academic year, please follow. Okay, from Thursday we are going to start the classes, and every Sunday I am going to come live and I'll be going to discuss individual chapters. So we have much more things for this academic year students. So please utilize this and make sure that you can succeed in this upcoming board exam with maximum marks. But here we are covering as much as possible to score about 90-95%. Okay, so do not miss any of my sessions and any of my classes, so that be punctual for the class, attend class regularly, copy down the points, start practicing the things whatever we are going to give you. Okay, good. Now second PUC model paper number 2, this is as per the reduced syllabus. Again same thing, See children, 1 mark 10 questions are there. You need to answer all the questions from your first main part A, and next part B you need to answer any 5 questions. You need to answer any 5 questions. Okay. And one more important information I just like to give you all. The admissions have already started for this academic year for the offline course in our Tannery Road branch and Shivajinagar branch. If any students are interested from class 6 to class 12, okay, you can just call up to the given respective contact number in the description. We have given all the details. You can contact us for the offline classes also. Right? Good. Next, coming back to part C, third main. You can see here part C, third main. So you need to answer any 5 questions. Each question carries 3 marks. Next, coming back to part D, you need to answer any 7 questions. Each question carries 5 marks. So this is the end of part D. I hope you all have enjoyed this session and also got the picture of your model sample paper, how the questions will be asked and what is the framework. Okay. I hope you all have got each and every point as we have mentioned, right? Very good children. So please practice each and every question from which we have, the things whatever we have displayed on the screen. As per that, practice, and wish you all the best of luck. Do well. Take care. Bye bye. But keep watching.